So, yun. Yun. Kumusta kayo dyan? Welcome back ulit sa channel ko. Ngayon, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano tayo makakuha ng libreng special effects or visual effects mobile FX na app. Okay, pero bago tayo mag-proceed guys, gusto ko lang ipasilip sa inyo muna yung specs ng phone ko. Note lang guys, hindi po rotated yung phone ko or hindi po siya naka-root access. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo na talagang hindi po rotated yung phone ko. Check lang natin guys. So, dito natin makikita yung specs natin. Specs ng phone natin guys. So, ito yun guys. Ito yung phone ko guys. So, dito tayo sa device. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Kung nakikita nyo, yung root access nyo, nakalagay no. So, hindi talaga routed yung phone ko guys. So, dito sa app na to, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko makakuha ng libre special effects kahit may bayad siya. Open lang muna natin yung app, mobile effects ha. Okay. Yan na siya. Okay. Try natin yung may bayad na visual effects. So, yun. Try natin. So, yan, nakalagay 43 piece. Gamitin yung mobile number ko. So, balik tayo guys. Yan siya. Exit natin siya guys. I-exit natin si mobile effects. So, ngayon guys, gagamit tayo ng Lucky Patcher. Gagamitin natin si Lucky Patcher para kay Mobile Ride FX. So, open lang natin si Lucky Patcher. So, click lang natin yung no. So, hanapin natin si Mobile Ride FX. So, andito na si Mobile Ride FX. Click nyo lang si Mobile Ride FX. Tapos, menu patches. Open nyo yung create modified APK files. Then, itong kulay na birdie guys. Kulay verde guys. Meron silang bagong update ngayon. So, inanaw lang muna natin guys. Wag lang muna natin i-update. So, balik tayo dito ngayon guys. So, pipiliin lang natin si APK Rebuild for in-app and label emulation. Click natin yan. Ayan. So, yung mga nakalagay na mga checkbox dyan, ayaan natin, iwan natin yan. So, click natin si Rebuild App. So, ayan. Ayan na siya guys. So, click lang natin tong JPEG file guys. Okay, tapos click natin yung uninstall and install. Then yes. So, do you want to uninstall this app? Then click OK. So, ayan. Tapos na siyang mag-uninstall. So ito yung papalit guys. Ito na yung modified na Moberad FX. So, install lang natin. So, ayan guys, naka-install na siya guys. So, open na natin yun si Moberad FX. Tingnan natin kung successful ba yung okay, ay agree ulit tayo. So, ito na yun guys. So, try natin to sa Dynacheese. Ito yung may bayad na special effects or visual effects. So, pag may nakikita kayo ng ganito guys, click nyo lang yung yes. Click yes yun guys. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love. So, yun. Yun guys. Kita nyo naman. Hindi pa rooted yung phone ko, pero nakapag-create tayo ng modified APK games or apps, application, kahit hindi pa rooted yung phone natin guys. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang muna yung isi-share ko sa inyo. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, click nyo na yung subscribe button sa baba at click nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa tuwing may i-upload akong bagong video sa channel ko guys.